to pull this shit out, it's not that fucking easy. My transmission jack is too fucking big, and that's where it is right now. This is the lowest point for the transmission jack. So yeah, I'm kind of fucked. Gotta try play around, see if I can bring it lower. Oh, it's getting better and better. It was fucking hard. I still can't fucking catch my breath. Alright, let's go see. Oh my god. Okay, here's the engine. It's a good thing to check for the oil leak. I have no oil leak. Oh, I do have one. Right there. Where's the filter? Yeah, it looks like. Could be the... Oh, I did the oil change. That's fine. I just recently did the oil change before fucking blew up. That's for gear. Alright. So, that's how I eliminate AGRs. Alright. I have no more AGR. Here. Here. And I passed the New York State emission. 034 miles. Yep, doing a great job. Otherwise, oh, it was a bitch. It was a bitch to pull it out. Honestly, it's not easy. Okay. Alright, that's it, guys. This is a toy rod, pushing toy rod, something like that. AutoZone. 3/8 bolt long and 3/8 nut and a piece of bar. And that's how I'm taking out the transmission. That's it. One second. Alright. Take this out. Take it out. And take the transmission out. Clutches. That's it. The tip. You actually need a special tool to unscrew this. This is like adapter plug for the speed sensor. You see, you have. So I came up with this. I don't want to buy a special tool. Yeah, you gotta wait another freaking week or so. So I just use the snap tool like this. Put it between those two holes, twist it a little bit, and it's breaking loose. So now I can unscrew it. I was able to do it with the fingers. Yeah, I may have to use the snap tool again. So you have an idea, right? If you don't want to buy the tools, carefully you can use this, to unscrew it. Oh, so first stiff is out. It's a little bit dirty. Everything looks fine over here. I have to unscrew the bolt all inside over there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. See it? It's like freaking far away. Alright, we'll try. Hopefully we can get it, Alright, getting there little by little. So this is the way I did it. I used the copper pipe, soft one, between those two gears, and use the 1 bar half-inch drive extension, and I break it loose. That's how my transmission sits on 4 jacks. and I was able to unscrew the bolt. All right, this is final part. So here's the gear number 4, shaft 1 and shaft 2. So as you see, shaft 1, I'm not sure which one is 1, which one is 2. Let's say this is the 1, the gear itself white, and shaft 2, the gear is not really white, and for some reason it's yeah, the whole transmission moved a little bit because I pulled it out probably. Yeah, I mean, everything looks fucked up. Here's all the pieces. Got damage over here. It's reusable, but not sure if it's worth it to rebuild this. Fucked up.